Hi, Chrissy. Thanks for the feedback on this unit. I just wanted to include this video just to show you some of the things that I included, and let me know what you think if you want me to add anything else. One of the things that you had mentioned was it would be nice to have due dates, and I did include those now. I guess the reason I hadn't initially is just because it was more like theoretical and I didn't think to put it into an actual time frame in terms of like dates. But now that there's deadlines on here on each one, you can, as a student, you can click on this icon here, click calendar, and then it will show what's due for the given class that they're in. Another thing that I did was I added some Cornell notes to the radioactive decay assignment. Well, immediately above it, I added a Cornell notes assignment where they're going to learn how to keep Cornell notes and use I'll just go ahead and click in it. They'll watch this Educanon that explains how to use the Cornell notes, and then they'll actually use this template to keep notes as they work through the information in the radioactive decay information and then lab. So there's that, and then also you had asked a couple questions, not a couple, but you had asked about when they do finish this online stuff, how do we come together as a class? What kind of activities do they do from there? Just a little bit about that. We do start off with a bell work. This is an example of one that we did today. And then we have a routine where different students have different jobs and we alternate weekly. But we have a timer, somebody who sets a timer at the beginning, and then once those 3 minutes have gone, then we have two stampers, one for each row. I have tables and 2 rows, and then I have a person that runs Class Dojo, and as the stampers check for work that it's completed, they say that student's name, and the stamper or the Class Dojo person then records it here, and they get points, and we have rewards for points. So that's one thing that we use to just kind of like foster collaboration at the beginning of the class. And then typically speaking, well, not typically, but pretty much always, we'll do labs together. So I included it on this online assignment here, and the students could be fine doing that lab at home by themselves, but we do labs together. We'll do a pre-lab and then a post-lab, and really our focus is around the 4 C's: collaboration, critical thinking, creativity, and the fourth one must not be that important because I don't remember it right now. But those are some of the ways that we do work beyond just this online format. And then also, I don't think I would use Google Classroom if it were just a purely online class, because I agree, I don't like the fact that it's so linear. I would use a website where I could have a navigation menu on the left or somewhere. This is just really nice because when students open an assignment, it makes copies of that Google Doc for them. And then, for instance, this one, when they open it up, they automatically have a copy in their drive. And then when they turn it in, I can see it really easily and grade it really easy, so it's convenient on that level. So I hope that addresses some of the things that you mentioned. Let me know, and I can make improvements in other ways too. Thanks again.